Meet Big Dave, a man whose idea of portion control is eating with both hands. This is Dave Eats, the show where food gets reviewed, dignity gets left in the glove box, and the only thing thinner than the budget is Dave's patience. You're watching the worst food review channel on YouTube, not because the food's bad, but because Dave's arteries are. Today, he's rolling up to Crown Pastry in London, Ontario, armed with the Too Good To Go app and the optimism of a man who thinks. Surprise bag means Baklava buffet. Big Dave has entered Crown Pastry, a place where sugar, butter, and phyllo dough conspire to end diets. He's here for a Too Good To Go surprise bag, but let's be honest, he's hoping it's 90% baklava and 10% napkins. Baklava, the dessert that says, I'm sweet, flaky, and I'll stick to your ribs like emotional trauma. Layers of pastry, so thin they make Dave's self-control look thick. He's scanning the counter like a hawk with carb addiction, praying the surprise bag isn't just day-old pita chips and a sympathy cookie. If this bag's got baklava, we're calling a win. If not, Dave's calling Uber Eats on the way out. Spoiler alert, there is no baklava in the bag.
Hi. I'm here to pick up Too Good To Go. Yep. And
amazing.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Welcome back, Big Dave, Dave Eats. This is a Too Good To Go video. This was Crown Pastries on Wellington Road. This was $11, so a $33 value, they say. Here's the bag. It looks like all of the same thing in here. And if it's what I think it is, I'm going to order another one and probably go right back in. I don't know. Here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. I think these are those Dubih chocolate bars. That's my guess. Let's unwrap one. Definitely look homemade because they're home wrapped. They're not a factory wrap on these by any means. Killer stuff in there. But that's what it is. This is those viral Dubih chocolate bars, I'm going to say. Let's break this thing open. It's not the green inside. It's a different color inside. The chocolate's starting to melt a little bit. Let's take a bite. That's good. Very sweet. Almost like a honey. Kind of crispy. It's like that knaffle stuff. I don't know what they call it. You know, that crispy, delicious stuff. Yeah. I'm happy with this purchase. I think these are like those pricey little chocolate bars. Tell me what you think. Did I get a good value on here? I'm going to go on their website and look it up and put that below and see what they normally charge for these. And then we'll know. But hey, I'm satisfied. Would you be satisfied? Let us know. Comment below. Subscribe, share, hit the like button. Big Dave!